Here and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing my top 25 favorite squishies. But wait, hold up. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, now let's get straight onto the video. Let's go. Also guys, I'm so sorry about terrible lighting. Like, it's just bright. But then when I turn the light on, everything just looks really yellow. Okay, I'll just do it. And which one do you like better? You can tell me in the comments. Everything just looks so red and yellow and bright and stuff, and you can't really see anything in the background. So, which one do you like better? Let's try showing a squishy. Okay, I'll keep it for like this. So at number 25, 12, I have this Gorilla Kuma squishy. It's very dense, as I shall say. It's dense. And then it's so adorable, and that's why I love it so much. But it's so dense. But it's pretty slow rising. But who has time to wait for their squishy to rise? Not me. Number 11, I have this Panda Bun. It's really soft, really slow rising. Did I just say 12? I meant 11 if I said 12. Like this Panda Bun. It's pink, which is my favorite color, as you may probably know from my 25 Facts About Me video, where I threw pink markers up all over me. Yeah, that was a very interesting experience. It's really good. And sorry that I'm always getting off topic like I am right now. Sorry about that. Number 11, yeah, here it is. Number 10, I have this jumbo version of this Panda Bun. It's just the jumbo version. It's still super squishy, but I feel like the smaller one is softer. And also, I wish this was pink, but it's still super cute. Number 9, I have this huge jumbo ice cream. It's the reason why this is not like number 3 or something is because it is dense. I got this from Walmart or something. It's not licensed. Just so you know, none of my squishies here are like licensed. Like that Gorilla Kuma is like not licensed. And it's just so dense. But it's still really fun to squish. And also, this is what I love to do with it. I'm a unicorn! I've always dreamed of being a unicorn. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, just kidding. Number 8. Wait, no, 7. Wait, let me count that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so on number 8, I'm pretty sure, is this cat. It's so defected. So sorry about like my terribleness. Yeah, I'm awkward. But it's super squishy. This is like my stress squishy. I love it. It's my first squishy ever squishy, so it's very fun to squish. Number 7, I have this Kitten in the Coffee Cup. So I really love this Coffee in the Kitten Cup because like it's so. Did I just say Coffee in the Kitten Cup? Okay, I meant Kitten in the Coffee Cup. Once again, so here it is. It's super soft, super squishy. The only concern I have for this is it's so defective. And it's wrinkly. It gets defective really easily. And it's super duper wrinkly. Ugh. Number 6, I have this super duper slow rising, but a little bit dense. It's not that dense. It's not really like bad dense. Penguin. It's super cute. It does have a weird texture on it, but it's so slow rising, and it's really good. Number 5, I think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, number 6 is this cute penguin squishy. It's super soft. It's like one of my softest squishies. Not really. And then it's so soft. It's not very slow rising. It's like not the very slow rising one. But it's still somewhat slow rising. Actually, it's pretty slow rising. Number 5, I have this Milk. This is like my stress squishy. It's like one of my most defected squishies. But you're probably asking, why is this at number 5 if it's so defected? And the answer to that question is because I love squishing it. This is my stress squishy. It's so much fun to squish. I love it. But it's like the paint's peeling off because I squish it way too much. But I squish it like 24/7. Like this. I love squishies! Just kidding. I squish it more like this. Number 4, we have this cute little unicorn head. It's so cute. It's also so soft and slow rising. Hey, that looks like the unicorn head that's printed on my, I have no idea where that went. Printed on my sugar cube squishy. I have no idea where it went. Oh, here it is. See? You can see kind of a resemblance. And also, don't ask about that. Long story short, it's very squishy. I got this like at the gas station for like $6. It's so worth it. I love it. It's so squishy. At number 3, we have this. Oh my gosh, I fell out of packaging. Who cares? This kitty burger squishy. It's so cute. It's so airy and squishy. And it's so slow rising. It's like adorable. There's the air. There's not much air, but then it's so squishy and adorable. I love it so much. That's why it's not number 3. It smells somewhat good. Kind of like hamburger soap. But it smells pretty good. Like McDonald's soap. You know what I mean? Like, if you've ever... I don't even know what I'm talking about. Number 2, we have this super soft, slow rising Cutie the cat. Cutie the cat. Well, no. Cutie the kitten. Cutie the cat. What is it? Cutie Creative? No. Cutie the cat? Something like that. Cutie kitten, Cutie the cat, something. It's so squishy. It's like my softest squishy and probably my most slow rising. Not very sure. It's so adorable. Like, look at this face. You can't resist to say no to anything. Can't resist to say no to this. Like, listen to it right now. Look what it wants you to do. It stalks you. You need to do what it says. Because look at the cuteness. Listen to the cuteness. Go subscribe to J-Heart and turn your post notifications on and like this video and all the other videos. Yay! Yeah, sorry. I had to do that with my awkwardness that I already have in my body. And I'm extra awkward today. Look, it matches with the other kitties. It's so squishy. I love it. It's cute. It's amazing. What else do you need to know? And number 1, drum roll please, is this. Wait, no, I still haven't got drum roll. Is this sneak peek? You won't know. You will never know what number 1 is. First, pause this video right here and you have to guess in the comment section down below what do you think this is. No, I already showed you it, so it's this. But if you had seen my my squishy video, like, it's pretty obvious this one is the winner. You could have probably guessed it. And if you guess it correctly, I might give you a shout out in my next video. Okay, it's obviously my number 1. It is kind of dense, which, oh well, but it's so cute. It's so big, and it's like so big. Look at it compared to my face. I know I do have a small face, but like, it is really big. It's almost the size of my face. Okay, just kidding. But it's so soft. It's so cute. It's so slow rising. It's just everything you need in a squishy. Like, I definitely recommend you go purchase this squishy and that Cutie the Cat squishy off of Banggood, because I got it off Banggood. That Cutie the Cat, I think, was like only like $5, $4 something. And this was only like $11, which I think is a great deal for such a big squishy. It's such a great squishy. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a big thumbs up like Cutie the cat had said to y'all earlier. And don't forget to comment down below just comment something really nice down below and I'll get a shout out to you. Or if you like Just Right or something, I will give you a shout out because I give a shout out in almost all my videos. If somebody comments something nice, then I'll give you a shout out. So this time's shout out goes to Shout Out. Okay, but don't be discouraged if you didn't get a shout out. If you comment something, you most likely probably get a shout out in one of my videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.